Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I am getting wet today. I mean, it's coming down pretty good. But I had to take all my stuff every time it rains, and I got this Hurricane DUALSPORT saddlebag from Rigg. It's the Rigg Gear Adventure line. Man, this thing is great because it's 100% waterproof. Don't have to worry about my stuff getting wet. So when I take off in the rain like this, I always take my wallet out, my phone out, my keys, because I have a key fob on there. And everything I don't want to get wet, put it in this this Rigg Gear Hurricane tank bag, and we're 100% dry. So definitely a big plus. Right down here, you can see it, the top of it. I'll stop here in a minute. I'm already wet, so it doesn't matter. And show it to you from the side. You can kind of see what it's shaped like. It fits great on adventure bikes, DUALSPORTs. Actually, I mean, you could use this thing on pretty much any bike as long as you got one that you want to strap on. This is a good one. And it fits quite a bit of stuff. I don't know all the specs right now. I'm just kind of telling you. But I'll put a link to this below where you can check it out because it's pretty cool. But anyway, I am going to get wet. I knew when I came to work this morning that it was going to do this, so no big deal. It is what it is. It was dry on the way in, and my wife said, "You're going to get wet on the way home." I'm like, "I don't care. I'm riding anyway." So, just wanted to let you guys know, whenever you're out riding, if you have one of these Rigg Gear Adventure Hurricane tank bags, it's a way to go to keep your stuff dry, no doubt about it. And a lifetime warranty, so anything ever happens to it, you're good to go. It's covered. I am going to turn in down here on a different road, and I'll show you this bag. Get off this road here with all the crazy people before I get run over. Over here and I'll show you. Get off here. Okay, so here it is. Very cool. So when you zip it up, it actually has this flap that goes over the side. It does have the reflective piping on it too, so it kind of shows up in the dark if lights hit it. It's got a place to carry your cell phone right here. Really cool. I don't use it for cell phones because I had noticed that the phones, to me, it seems to tend to get hot. But I use this if I want to put notes in here, or if I did put a map. But these days you got GPS. And it's still pretty cool to have it. And then when you unzip it here, it's very cool. Try not to let all my stuff fall out. So here's my wallet, my phone, my AirPods, my keys. I got a flashlight in there. All the stuff that I want to keep dry, put in here. Also at the top here we have an extra pocket too. We can put stuff, and we can access that clear part where your phone goes or your map. Very cool. I've actually done a video of this, but I wanted to show it while I'm out here using it in the rain, keeping stuff dry. And then you just put this little flap right down on the side right here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So you can see what it looks like on a Honda CRF 300L. Looks good. You can show it from this side here a little better probably, but it does have the straps where you can buckle it on so you can quickly take it off. Just snap these loose. Put these around your frame right here, and then you got one that goes around your steering neck, and there's 4 snaps. You unsnap it, take it off. You can take it in if you want to take it into your work or hotel or whatever, your tent if you're camping. But good to go. Check out what I get to set on. This nice wet seat. We're going to get out here and ride on. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to get home before I get wet. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Check out the link to this Nelson Rigg. Anything that you get off Nelson Rigg, if you put in the code Woodzman20, you're going to get a 20% discount. And anything over $50, you're going to get free shipping. So check out that link below to just go to Nelson Rigg. Use Woodzman20. And anything on their site, you're going to save 20% on. So thank you all for watching. Ride on.